Hello guys, today I have this 55-inch Philips LED TV. The problem is backlight, got sound but no picture. This is the power supply and this is main board. This is stick-on board. So now I release from standby mode. Okay. Okay, so let's check the supply for LED driver. Stick on input volt. Okay, 12 volt is okay. Check VGH. VGH 27 volt, okay. VDD 15 volt. VGL minus volt, it's okay. So only the problem is backlight, so let's do it now. We'll show you after open the panel screen. Hello guys, so I already repaired the backlight, so let's try. Turn on the TV. Okay guys, turn Philips 55-inch LED TV, fix backlight problem. So we'll picture after fixing panel screen everything. Hello guys, so I already fixed this Philips 55-inch LED TV. Now got picture Philips. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Like and share and comment. Philips 55-inch LED TV, fixed backlight problem, got sound but no picture.